There's lots of professional tools out there that kind of cater towards the 1% of the market. We're really focused on the other 99% of the market. And it's these people who haven't really thought that they're creative before or haven't thought that they could design things. So it's really interesting to meet the people from Zeetings who joined us recently. And their vision of presentations really gelled with ours. They want to bring it into the future, bring it into the now. And the way that they want to do that is by making presentations an interactive experience with the audience. So the audience can add their voice to the conversation, and the presentation becomes a lot more dynamic. And it's a lot more engaging, and we've seen that people that use that presentation style end up communicating in a much better way. So it's those two pieces of the puzzle of having a great design experience, which gives you a much more beautiful design, one that communicates better, as well as creating that rapport between you and your audience.
So is PowerPoint then your main direct competitor?
It's an interesting comparison. We definitely see presentations as something that can be revitalized and have new ideas brought into it. We're really interested at the moment in bringing presentations out of kind of that older age. The way that people communicate has changed a lot. And nowadays we want it to be more of a dialogue rather than this monologue of someone just standing up and spitting information at you.
Now, you've reached a very big milestone. You've hit $1 billion valuation. You've got a backer that's very well known in the marketplace, Sequoia. What's the growth strategy? What's next for Canva, given you have this $1 billion valuation, you're an Australian company, you have the backing of Sequoia? Is it an exit? What's next?
It's definitely not an exit. We're a company that's going to be around for a long time. And our vision is to empower the world to design. And that involves so many different things. One of them is that we want to have a really wide breadth of things that people can design in. So as we add more things into the product, so as we're tackling animations, websites, presentations, we just see more and more things that the philosophy of Canva can help out on. So that's on the product side. And then on the growth side, last year one of our big goals was to have Canva available in over 100 languages. And that was really important to us, not just because it brings more users to the platform, but also because it really speaks to the philosophies of the company as well. And we managed to hit that goal last year. And since then, we've been going deeper into the localization. So not only having the application in the language of the country which people are using it in, but also having content, learning education materials, and marketing to them in a way that speaks to them and is truly connecting with them.